Sorry, my video editing software is down right now. So, anyways, how y'all guys doing? I'm Josh, and I have 96 subscribers. So, deal with me right now. I'm a very minuscule, whatever you want to call it, however you pronounce it, YouTuber. Anyways, I'm here for some exciting news today, and to me, it's very exciting because I don't know about you guys. Sometimes I don't know whether to believe if there's life out there in the universe, the cosmos, space time, whatever you want to call it. I don't know. Sometimes I think maybe there could be, and then sometimes I think so hard my brain just hurts. Anyways, today, the 22nd of February, 2017, NASA held a press conference and revealed that they found seven, not one, seven exoplanets. An exoplanet is a planet that orbits a star outside of our solar system. They revealed that they have found seven Earth-like planets orbiting a red dwarf, 40-something thousand miles away. 40 light years away. And if you guys don't know what a light year is the time that it takes light to travel, 1 year, that distance. I'm explaining it right. I'm doing this in one take, so bear with me. Anyways, I have the article here about exactly what was said, and I'm gonna go ahead and read it for you guys, and you let me know if it's interesting and what do you think about this discovery. Here we go. Seven Earth-sized planets orbit dwarf star. NASA and Europe astronomers say. Here we go. Not just one, but seven Earth-sized planets that could potentially harbor life have been identified orbiting a tiny star not too far away, offering the first realistic opportunity to search for signs of alien life outside of the solar system. The planets orbit a dwarf star named TRAPPIST-1, about 40 light years or 235 trillion miles from Earth. Trillion, not billion or million, trillion. That is quite close in cosmic terms, and by a happy accident, the orientation of the orbits of the seven planets allow them to be studied in great detail. One or more of the exoplanets in this new system could be at the right temperature to be awash in oceans of water. Astronomers said, based on the distance of the planets from the dwarf star, this is the first time so many planets of this kind are found around the same star. Michael Gillian, an astronomer at the University of Lyon in Belgium, and the leader of an international team that has been observing TRAPPIST-1, said during a telephone news conference organized by the journal Nature, which published the findings on Wednesday. The scientists could even discover compelling evidence of aliens. I think that we have made a critical step towards finding if there is life out there, said Amir HMJ. Sorry, I can't pronounce that word. An astronomer at the University of Cambridge in England. And another member of the research team. Here is life. Here, if life managed to thrive and release gases similar to what we have here on Earth, then we will know. Bear with me, guys. I feel like I'm in school and I got called upon a teacher to stand up and read, and I have never done this on YouTube. Bear with me. Cool red dwarfs are the most common type of stars, so astronomers are likely to find more planetary systems like that around TRAPPIST-1 in the coming years. You can just imagine how many worlds are out there that have a shot to becoming a habitable ecosystem. Thomas Zuckerchin, Associate Administrator of NASA's Science Mission Director, said during a NASA news conference on Wednesday, "Are we alone out there? We're making a step forward with this, a leap forward, in fact, towards answering that question. Telescopes on the ground now and the Hubble Space Telescope in orbit will be able to discern some of the molecules in the planetary system. James Webb Space Telescope, scheduled to launch next year, will peer at the infrared wavelengths of light, ideal for studying TRAPPIST-1. Comparisons among the different conditions of the seven will also be revealing. The TRAPPIST-1 planets make the search for life in the galaxy imminent," said Sarah Seeger, an astronomer at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, who was not a member of the research team. "For the first time ever, we don't have to speculate. We just have to wait and then make very careful observations and see what is the atmosphere of the TRAPPIST planets. Even if the planets all turn out to be lifeless, scientists will have learned more about what keeps life from flourishing. Astronomers also knew other stars must have planets, but until a couple of decades ago, they had not been able to spot them. Now they have confirmed more than 3,400 according to the Open Exoplanet Catalog. An exoplanet is a planet around a star other than our sun. The authors of the Nature paper include Dyer Qualos, one of the astronomers who discovered in 1995 the first known exoplanet around a sun-like star. While the TRAPPIST planets are about the size of Earth, give or take 25% in diameter, the star is very different from our own. TRAPPIST-1, named after a robotic telescope in the Atacama Desert of Chile. The astronomers initially used to study the star is what astronomers call an ultra-cool dwarf. Ultra-cool dwarf. I don't know what's wrong with me today, guys. I guess I'm just under pressure and I'm nervous, so bear with me. TRAPPIST-1, named after a robotic telescope in the Atacama Desert of Chile, that the astronomers initially used to study the stars, is what astronomers call an ultra-cool dwarf, with only 1/12 the mass of the sun and a surface temperature of 4,150 degrees Fahrenheit, much cooler than the 10,000 degrees radiating from our own sun. TRAPPIST is a shortening of transiting planets and planetesimal small telescope. During the NASA news conference, Dr. Gillian gave a sample analogy. If our sun were the size of a basketball, TRAPPIST-1 would be the size of a golf ball. Until the last few years, scientists looking for life elsewhere in the galaxy have focused on finding Earth-sized planets around sun-like stars. But it's very difficult to pick out the light of a planet from the glare of the bright star. Some dim dwarfs are much easier to study. Last year, astronomers announced the discovery of an Earth-sized planet around Proxima Centauri, the closest star at about 4.24 light years away. That discovery was made using a different technique that does not allow for study of the atmosphere. So I'm going to go ahead and stop right there because the article is kind of long. I might pick up in a second, but let's just let that soak in. NASA revealed that they reveal all the time that they found exoplanets and blah, 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 blah. But they revealed that they found 7 Earth-like planets around a dwarf star, which is 40 light years. Now, in terms, that's pretty short in the cosmos. Like 40 light years isn't that far. Now, to me, that blows my mind because you never know. They said there is 7 in the habitable zone. Guys, if you're not interested in what I'm saying, maybe you guys can subscribe because I'm making a fool of myself and I'm not doing another take of this because I don't have no video editing software. My other phone got destroyed and my laptop just isn't working. I shouldn't take a sip on camera. Anyways, that just blows my mind. That goes to show you that, our tax dollars aren't getting wasted, that there's scientists out there actually, making discoveries and observing things. I was excited when the news came on and I'm watching world news and it said NASA, I was like, wow, let me go Google this. Let me go research this. And then I haven't made a video in like 3 months. And that just goes to show you that how excited I was to hear that news. I sat down and made a video. Looking crazy. Hair's not done or whatever. But let me know what you guys think. Do you think that these planets might be habitable? I don't know why I can't say that word today. Do you think this is just is it too early to tell? Do you think that NASA is jumping to conclusions by saying that life might be found on these planets, if not all, 1 or 2? What do you guys think? Honestly, I don't know what I think right now because it's too early to tell. Once the James Webb Telescope goes out into orbit 1 million miles away from the Earth, maybe then we can have more information and make more discoveries about the TRAPPIST-1 system. But before then, I don't know. I'm just excited about the discovery. Obviously, I'm sitting down making a video. But let me go ahead and finish this article. I'm going to try to make it as fast as I can. Now the light from my camera is blinding me and is blurry. You know, the article is kind of blurry. By the way, if you guys don't know who I am, I'm Josh. I'm an upcoming YouTuber. I don't do this every day. As you can see, my last video was uploaded like 3-4 months ago. I was making videos about my cannabis plant that got destroyed. I'm not gonna say who did it. I'm not gonna say how it was done, but it got destroyed. It got destroyed. 1 second. Yeah, hello. I am currently making a YouTube video, and now you're on YouTube, and I can't delete it because I have no editing software. So this is going to be in my YouTube video now. Bye. Anyways, yeah, let me get back to the article. Sorry about that, guys. Anyways, like I was saying, if I'm an upcoming YouTuber, I started off with 0 subscribers. Obviously, that's what everybody starts off with. I have 96. Hopefully after this video, you know, I can get a couple more subscribers. You know, I feel like all these big time YouTubers and with millions of subscribers, I feel like that's like so far away from what I can achieve. So who knows? Maybe I can get some subscribers. Anyways, let's get back to the article before my phone dies and before this camera stops recording. So where are we at? Okay, Chopper's One light dipped so many times that the astronomers concluded in the research reported last night. You know what? I'm so sorry, guys. My freaking phone is acting up. I'm gonna go ahead and just stop it right there. If you guys wanna read the article yourself, I will try to link the I'll try to put the link in the description. If it's not there, obviously I don't know what I'm doing and it didn't work. Other than that, guys, please go ahead and like, comment on this video, share it to your friends if you want to laugh. Comment to me what difference I can make for my channel. Thanks, guys.